Hello students, welcome to Infallible Study. This is lecture number 1.2, means chapter number 1 and lecture number 2. If you haven't seen the first video, you must go to that video and watch that video because these questions are most important for your board exam. The math is only depend on the practice. Do practice and do practice. So let's start our lecture. In this question, two alarm clock ring their alarms at regular interval of 50 seconds. हमारे पास टू अलार्म क्लॉक है जो एक रेगुलर इंटरवल के बाद रिंग कर रही है, जिसमें से एक का इंटरवल जो है दैट इज 50 सेकेंड और जो दूसरी क्लॉक है उसका इंटरवल कितना है 48 सेकेंड. इफ दे फर्स्ट बीप टुगेदर एट 12 नून, अगर वो दोनों पहली बार एक साथ 12 o'clock नून को रिंग करती हैं, at what time will they beep again for the first time, और वो कौन सा समय होगा जब वो दोबारा एक साथ बीप करेंगी. तो कभी भी टाइम से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन है जिसमें ये पूछ रहा हो कि when they beep again together, so first of all we need to find the LCM of 50 seconds and 48 seconds. And the LCM will be 1200 seconds. So after 1200 seconds, the both clock will be beep together again. So we need to find this in the minute. So after this 1200 divided by 60 and we will get 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, the both clock will start beeping again. So the time was 1200 noon. So the next time will be after 20 minutes, that is 20 minutes is equal to 12:20 PM, because this was the time of noon and the afternoon, that the time will become PM. So option number A is our correct answer and you will get 1 mark successfully. Now let's move to the next question. In this question we need to find the ratio of LCM and SCF of 5, 15, 20 is. The question says that the ratio, we need to find the ratio of LCM, ratio SCF of which number? The LCM of 5, 15 and 20 and also the SCF of 5, 15 and 20. So let's find out the LCM of 5, 15 and 20. LCM of 5, 15 and 20, that will become 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 and 15 that becomes 3 multiplied by 5 and 20 that becomes 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So the LCM will be 5 and 3 and 2 and 2. So the LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So our LCM is 60. Now we need to find the SCF. So SCF will be, that is 5, because the highest common factor is only 5 in these three numbers. So SCF of 5, 15 and 20, that is 5. And now we need to find the ratio of LCM and SCF. So LCM is 60, that is ratio 5, and we can also solve this, that 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So the ratio is 12:1. Option D is our correct answer and you will get again 1 mark very successfully. Now let's move to the next question. This question says that if the SCF of 55 and 99, SCF of 55 and 99 is expressible in the form of 55m minus 99, it means the 55 का और 99 का जो SCF होगा वो exactly इसके equal है. Then find the value of m. The question directly says that SCF of 55 and 99 is exactly equal to 55m minus 99. So first of all we need to find the SCF of both these number and that will put in the equal to this. So let's find it out. SCF of 55 and 99. So the 55 can be written as 11 multiplied by 5 and 99 can also be written as 11 multiplied by 9 and we can also put the 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. So the highest common factor is 11. So the HCF of 55 and 99, that is 11. So according to question, 55m minus 99 is equal to 11. Now it's very easy to find the value of m. 55m is equal to 11 plus 99, and 55m is equal to 110. So the value of m is equal to 110 divided by 55. So the value of m is equal to 2. Now we have get the value of m is equal to 2. I hope you understand. Now let's move to the next question. This question says that if a is equal to 2n plus 13 and b is equal to n plus 7, where n is the natural number, then HCF of a and b is, हमारे पास दो नंबर हैं, that is this a and b, और n जो है यहाँ पे एक नेचुरल नंबर है और हमें फाइंड करना है HCF a और b का. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में जब हमारे पास ये गिवन हो that n is the natural number, the natural number can be start from 1 to 9. So n की वैल्यू जो होगी वो 1 और n9 के बीच में होगी, and we need to find the HCF of this. तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, n की वैल्यू पुट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे from 1 in both equations. Now put the value of n is equal to 1. सबसे पहले हम n is equal to 1 पुट करेंगे. So that a is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 13, it becomes 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. And in the equation b, that is b is equal to 1 plus 7, it becomes 8. And again the question says that find the HCF of a and b. तो हम इस इक्वेशन के अकॉर्डिंग a और b की HCF फाइंड करेंगे. तो HCF of 15 and 8 will be 1. And now we will put n is equal to 2. In this case a is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 plus 13, it becomes 2 to the 4 plus 13 is equal to 17. And in equation b, that is b is equal to 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Again the HCF of 17 and 9 is equal to 1, because there is no any highest common factor. So in both cases, whenever we put the value of n, that is 1 and 2 and 3, the HCF will be always be same as 1. So option C is the correct answer, and you will get 1 mark successfully. I hope you understand. कभी भी दो नंबर जिनकी वैल्यूज गिवन ना हो और n जो हो वो नेचुरल नंबर हो, तो हम सिंपली क्या करेंगे, n की वैल्यू रखना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. और नेचुरल नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होता है, तो n की सबसे पहले वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे, 1 देन 2. अगर हम चाहे तो और भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन फाइंड आवर आंसर फ्रॉम 1 and 2. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.